Hi, I welcome you all to Skill Explore Master Course. This course mainly deals with how to crack UPDA MMUP civil examination, and this is a civil based preparation. And I would like to introduce myself. I'm Divya, doctoral research scholar from NIT Trichy, which is one of the premier institute in India. Okay, this civil subject will be handled by 6 major experts. Um, Mr. S. Manihanda Prabhu will be handling project management. Ms. S. Sivahama Sundari will be handling structure analysis, and myself will be handling geotechnical engineering. Janani will be handling transportation engineering. Neerajakshi will be handling environmental engineering. Neeramadi will be handling hydrology. So we'll be taking different subjects, and you from those you'll be getting an idea of how the examination will be, how the subjects and how the questions will be, and what is the major area to be concentrated and what is the minor area to be concentrated. So you'll be given a full idea about how the examination will be and what are the things to be taken. Okay. And by registering in a Skill Explore Master course, you'll be provided with the following advantages. First of all, you'll be given recorded video version and e-material, 63 module live class, live test, live quiz on each session, complete syllabus coverage for your examination, and free documentation and consult for your examination. Okay, so video recorded version will be the version of what are the classes we'll be taking will be recorded and given to you, and the e-materials will be provided to you. And the 63 model live class is nothing but live test is nothing but you'll be given 63 model test, which each contains 27 questions, and you have to answer those questions in 1 hour, which is a direct replica of your examination. And this will give you a idea of how the examination will be and how you have to approach the examination. Okay, and this live quiz is nothing but after every session. For example, if a subject is taken for 3 sessions, after every session you'll be provided with 10 questions and you have to answer on a particular time. Okay, and the complete syllabus coverage for your examination is mainly based upon the previous year questions. So we have categorized the syllabus for every subject mainly based upon the previous year questions and what are the areas they are asking the question. Okay, and one of the important thing to be noted is that you will be getting a free documentation consultation support from our side if you registered for our course. Okay, and on the top of all, you'll be getting a lifetime access to our contents. Okay, and these are the various subjects you'll be getting the questions like construction material analysis, soil foundation and fluid mechanics, traffic engineering, surveying, environmental. So these are the various subjects you'll be getting questions from that. Okay, and I have given you the subjects and its respective weightage. So you'll be getting approximately 27 questions on every examination. So these are the number of questions, the possible number of questions you'll be getting from each subject. So construction material 2, analysis 5, soil mechanics 3, fluids 2, traffic engineering 3, environmental engineering 2, surveying 2, contracts 1, hydrology 1, project management 4, RCC and earthwork combinedly you'll be getting 2 questions. So on seeing this, you'll get an idea of structure analysis and project management will be having a greater weightage over the other subjects. Okay, however, hydrology and surveying will be having a very low weightage. Even though it has a very low weightage, you'll be getting a like easy questions over there, so which can be easily attended by you and you can score your marks. Okay, and this chart will give you an idea of how the subjects importance of the subject, and I've already told you analysis will be having a higher weightage, and this project management also have a higher weightage. And even though there are some of subject will having a lower weightage, you'll be getting a easiest question from there, so you can easily crack the examination. Okay, and the importance of cracking this examination is that Qatarian government has enforced this from 2014 onwards. However, they are making it mandatory right from 2019. So in order to renewal your license, or you want to renewal your family visa renewal, you have to clear this examination. After clearing this examination, you will be given your license extension and everything. Okay, so it is becoming very much mandatory to take this examination and getting your license. Okay, so I'll advise every one of you to clear this examination and get your license extended as soon as possible. Okay, and I would like to explain how the examination will be. And this is a 1 hour examination, and you'll be asked 25 questions or 27 questions. So it depends upon the session what you're applying. And if you are getting 27 questions, you have to answer 14 questions as a right answer. And if you are getting 25 questions, you have to get 13 right answers, so that only you'll be clearing this examination. And each question will be carrying 4 marks, and no negative marks will be given for the questions you are selecting. Okay. And while preparing, you need to prepare your basic engineering subjects and also project management. As we are civil engineers, we have to study the basic civil engineering subjects. I have already mentioned the previous sites. And you are allowed to access the system calculator, so you don't want to do any massive calculations, and you won't be getting any questions with massive calculation. You'll be getting the questions with very minor calculations. Okay. And after finishing the examination, you have to wait there for a few minutes. So after that only they'll be announcing the results. If you get qualified or if you get cleared the examination, you have to pay 300 Qatar Riyal to get the license. Okay. And after paying this amount, you'll be getting a license immediately. Okay. And the exam will be conducted in Baldi office, which is located at Doha Municipality Building, B Ring Road, and we have included the location of those those office. Okay. And these are the documents you need to have while applying those examination, which is valid Qatari ID, degree certificate, consolidated mark sheet, each semester mark sheet, individual mark sheet you need to have, and Qatar PCC, which is police clearance certificate, curriculum vitae, photo, and passport. So like in some universities will not be giving a consolidated mark sheet, so if you don't have consolidated mark sheet, you have to include that transcript. Okay. And for additional documents, if you have any experience or if you have any undergone any training program, you have to furnish that also. Okay. And from Skill Explore side, we have included some of the important websites which you want to search of your own. So these are the important links if you want to search about the examination requirements. We think it will be useful for you. Okay. And for any queries, feedback, and assistance, you can call us at the number displayed over there, and you can mail us at info@skillexplore.com. And if you want to have any clear idea about how the courses will be and how the examination will be and how our service will be, so please log on to www.skillexplore.com. So for any further assistance, you please visit our website. And at last, I would like to give best of wishes to everyone, those who are attending this examination. Thank you.